thinking freely against a one-thinking government, and making a choice in a place where you can't make one, but you're expected to, but not allowed to, but want to, but can't. Shut down and then brought around and put down watching TV. The news. Black president causes uproar. Gang wars. Repression. Regression. Depression. Degression. Fights in spite of celebration. Arguing with what is right. The weather. Sunny with an overcast that follows inevitable destruction, with a chance of rain. You look outside to a simple world of kids laughing, riding bikes, flying kites, and there you are, fighting for their rights. You say they will never understand, and you say they will have to fight. You ask why. Because they think freely. They have no thoughts of what's right and wrong, and they have no preference to how our government is run. They will follow in your footsteps no matter how treacherous the fall will be. They will make your mistakes, and they will make their own mistakes, and they will watch as their children make your mistakes, and their parents' mistakes, and their own mistakes, and future mistakes, and more mistakes, and make mistakes that are mistaken for mistakes. Because we assume that everything that goes wrong is a mistake. But a mistake is something that shouldn't have happened. And if something goes wrong and it's not a mistake, it's an opportunity to make something better. The news. The government begins to settle as gang violence begins to decrease. Poverty is at an all-time low and terrorism is non-existent. The weather. Clear blue skies and not a cloud in sight. If only.